Hey everyone, what you're about to see was never supposed to happen. These are real car crash moments that changed everything instantly. If intense, jaw-dropping clips grab you, subscribe before the next one hits. The car suddenly hit the footpath while going at high speed and landed on the other side with a loud noise, but luckily it didn't suffer any damage.
Oh, watch that car.
Careful!
Sliding.
Back up, back up!
You good?
All right, that's nice.
Close one. Let's keep to the rail. Stay clear.
Yeah. That blue car's gonna need a tow out.
At least no one got hit.
The highway is icy, with some cars parked on the side. A speeding vehicle passes by, its tires slip, and it stops into the center. Luckily, there's no damage, and they safely continue their journey.
And then you still don't see it? You still don't see it? Yeah. You still don't see it? Oh, dude. Oh, I don't know what he's gonna do. He gonna blast it. Jesus.
The car is overtaking two cars when it suddenly crashes into a stationary attenuator truck. The car takes the hit, but luckily the driver safely. The woman gets out of the car, leaving it unattended, and the car starts moving on its own, going out of control. It crashes into a wall, causing a huge shock. The woman tries her best to save it, but unfortunately, she's unsuccessful. A car hit a safety pillar on a snowy road while going at high speed, causing heavy damage to it, but luckily no one was hurt. People were shocked seeing this moment.